Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Advantage Plus audience targeting in Facebook ads in 2026. Now, if Meta keeps expanding your audience automatically and your ads are reaching the wrong people, this is how you take control back. So first of all, you need to open your Facebook ads manager. Over here, simply click on your campaign. So in your campaign, you just have to look for the option of audience section. So in the audience section, you will see the option that says Advantage Plus Audience. So by default, Meta usually turns this particular option on automatically. So you can look for the Advantage Audience option and you can basically turn it off. So once it is turned off, you will be able to automatically set the location, age, gender, interests, and behaviors, just like the old targeting style. After adjusting your audience, you can just simply scroll down and publish or save the changes. So your ads will now target only the people that you choose. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.